subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Vivo has launched its new high-end flagship phone under X60 lineup in China called Vivo X60t Pro Plus. And although it looks similar to Vivo X60 Pro Plus smartphone, but it has some minor changes in terms of specifications. Talking about the specifications, the Vivo X60t Pro Plus features a 6.56-inch Full HD Plus Curve AMOLED display with up to 120Hz refresh rate and 92.7% screen-to-body ratio. The screen supports HDR10+, and it has a hole punch at the top center that carries an 32-megapixel selfie camera with f2.45 aperture. The rear panel of the phone supports a ZAS-powered quad camera setup in a rectangular module at the top left corner that includes a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.57 aperture plus 48-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with Sony IMX598 sensor, and it supports gimbal stabilization plus 12-megapixel portrait lens with f1.98 aperture and a 8-megapixel periscope lens with 5x optical zoom support. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of recording 8K videos at 30 frames per second. Under the hood, the Vivo X60t Pro Plus comes powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 chipset paired with Adreno 660 GPU, and it packs with 8 or 12GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 128 or 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage. As per the software, the handset runs on Android 11 with Origin OS skin on top. The device comes backed by a large 4200 mAh battery that supports 55W flash charging. Additionally, the smartphone also features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it includes heat dissipation system that reduces the phone temperature in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 158.59 by 73.35 by 9.1 millimeters, and it weighs around 190.6 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Vivo X60t Pro Plus has been priced in China for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 4,999 Chinese yuan, while the 12GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 5,999 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in dark blue and classic orange color options. So what do you guys think of this Vivo X60t Pro Plus smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.